Welcome to Lumacasa Studio, where beautiful homes remind us that true luxury isn't measured by square footage. It's measured by how a space makes us feel. Today, step inside a remarkable small home that proves thoughtful design can create comfort, elegance, and joy in every corner. As we explore together, you may discover that the home you've always dreamed of doesn't need to be bigger. It simply needs to be designed with heart. The journey begins with a charming exterior wrapped in warm wood textures, soft stone accents, and carefully layered landscaping. Gentle sunlight dances across the facade, while lush greenery creates an inviting first impression. One timeless design lesson is to combine natural materials with a simple color palette, allowing the architecture to feel balanced instead of overwhelming. Even a modest home instantly appears more sophisticated when clean lines meet thoughtfully chosen textures. Inside, the living room welcomes you with calming neutral tones, plush seating, layered fabrics, and natural light pouring through generous windows. Every piece feels intentional, creating openness without sacrificing comfort. A helpful decorating tip is to choose furniture with visible legs and avoid overcrowding the room. This simple approach allows light to flow freely, making smaller spaces feel brighter, larger, and effortlessly elegant while maintaining a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen becomes the true heart of the home, where beauty and practicality work together seamlessly. Sleek cabinetry, warm wooden shelves, soft ambient lighting, and carefully organized storage transform everyday routines into peaceful moments. Vertical storage and integrated appliances maximize every inch without adding visual clutter. Thoughtful lighting beneath cabinets also creates depth, making compact kitchens feel surprisingly spacious while adding a welcoming glow for family gatherings. As evening arrives, the bedroom offers a quiet sanctuary designed for complete relaxation. Soft linen bedding, warm wood furniture, subtle lighting, and calming earth tones create an atmosphere that encourages rest after a busy day. One simple decorating secret is limiting decorative colors to just a few harmonious shades. This visual consistency reduces stress, allowing the room to feel peaceful, timeless, and wonderfully cozy regardless of its size. What truly makes this home exceptional is how every space serves multiple purposes without feeling crowded. Built-in shelving, hidden storage benches, compact workstations, and flexible furniture quietly adapt to changing daily needs. The greatest design lesson is that intentional planning always outperforms excess space. When every item has a purpose and every corner tells a story, even the smallest home can support a rich, comfortable, and beautifully organized lifestyle. Perhaps the greatest surprise isn't that this small home has everything you need. It's that it reminds us what truly matters. A welcoming atmosphere, thoughtful design, meaningful details, and spaces that bring people together create a home far richer than size alone ever could. Sometimes, the most unforgettable homes are the ones that embrace simplicity with elegance and fill every room with warmth. If this inspiring home sparked new ideas for your own living space, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Lumacasa Studio, and join us for more timeless home design inspiration where beauty, comfort, and everyday living come together.